Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be talking about a new Linux OS that I've discovered called Manjaro. And this is going to be a really interesting Linux OS. It's supposed to be lightweight, and I'll provide a little bit more detail, but let's get right into it. Now in VMware I know it says Ubuntu, but I'm still learning how to, work this the proper way. It's just gonna be called Ubuntu for the moment, and but yeah, we're gonna give it 1 MB of RAM and see how it operates on there. So let's finish and let's try to boot. Let me reset this here, and it's gonna call Ubuntu. I hate that it's called that, but let's try booting. So we're going to boot with open source drivers. I've let you guys know I've never done this before, so boot with open source drivers. It's going to get ready to do something here that I've never seen before. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, it is booting. This is really cool. Alright, I tried to start recording as fast as I possibly could. I used proprietary drivers, and it launched just right now, which is... Alright, here we go. So, I don't even know where to begin. Wow. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look, it's like Windows 10. Look, Firefox? And is this... This isn't installed on here. Alright, well, everything's a little bit... I mean... What? This is... Look at this. Welcome to Manjaro. Alright, sorry, I had to check out Firefox there for a second. It comes pre-installed Firefox. That is... incredible. Alright guys, so this is my take on this. This is extremely awesome, and well, this is an extremely awesome OS. I'm not going to install it right now. If you guys would like me to install it on a computer called the Compaq Presario Windows Vista HP, let me know if you guys would like to see that. I'm going to try to do it. We're going to try to install it on there, and that'll probably be the next video. I got a whole line of videos coming up, so if you guys see like a whole bunch of videos start popping up, there was a whole lot of stuff that didn't get finished because I just did not have enough time. So, I wanted to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it'll be down there below. And we'll see you guys in the next one.